Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? This is Peter from Peter Tech. Today I'm gonna share with you an open box of the Trijicon RMR mouse for 3x30 ACOG. Okay, so let's see what's come with it. Come with some screws. Okay, we're gonna open it later on. But what is ACOG 3x30 in case for someone who may not know it? So this is the ACOG 3x30. Okay, so basically 3 mean the power of the magnification is 3 times, and 30 is the objective lens is the 30 millimeter. That means the diameter is 3 centimeter or 30 millimeter. Okay, so the bigger it is, the more light can go through it. That means the brighter the picture that you're gonna see. Okay, so it allows more light to the objective lens, and more light goes here. Okay, so that's what 3x30 is, and this is specifically for this one. Okay, 3x30. Now let's see what is inside or what comes with it. Okay, so after I opened the box, I found out that the manual that comes with it doesn't have this model listed. By the way, you see it have RM35, 36, 37, 38, and 43, but this one is actually RM54. So as you can see, I cannot match the content with any of these in the manual. However, the closest one is this one. Okay, it just doesn't have the 2 set screw. Okay, but it have actually this one is the star screwdriver, and this one is the hex screwdriver. And so from this one where I refer to, so the longer screw is for the mount screw. That means this one to mount the plate to the ACOG. Okay, so we use the longer screw for that one, and the shorter one, then the shorter one be the RMR mount screw. That means we mount the RMR to the plate itself for the shorter screw. And as you can see, it comes with the Loctite or some kind of glue already on it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like it, please click like, and if you think someone may benefit this video, please share. If you don't want to miss my next video, please subscribe. Thank you.